Chickens are providers of ideal protein sources not only for humans, but for a variety of carnivorous predators. When raising backyard chickens, it is important to understand the characteristics and behaviors of common predators found in Minnesota so you can adequately protect your flock. A common ground predator attracted to urban household wastes is the raccoon. According to the Minnesota Department of Natural Resources, there is an estimated 800,000 to 1 million raccoons inhabiting the state. Raccoons invade small poultry flocks at night, taking multiple birds or eggs at a time. If raccoons are unable to completely remove chickens from their enclosure, they may only take pieces of your now deceased birds and leave the rest of the remains. Several Minnesota raptors, including the red-tailed hawk and great horned owl, prey on chickens. Please note, it is illegal to hunt these hawks and owls. Red-tailed hawks inhabit suburban and rural Minnesota and migrate south in the fall. As an aerial hunter, the red-tailed hawk has excellent vision, allowing it to hunt from hundreds of feet in the air or from tall perches. Red-tailed hawks can carry their prey away from the site, leaving no evidence of disturbance within the flock or the housing structure. Great horned owls prefer to inhabit rural and urban Minnesota. Unlike the red-tailed hawk, great horned owls actively hunt at night and do not migrate. The majority of this raptor's diet is comprised of small mammals, and some of these owls will eat over 4,000 mice per year. However, great horned owls are also known to prey on various poultry, including chickens and ducks. Weasels, a detrimental predator to small flocks, eat about 30% of their body weight daily. They store little fat and burn 4 times more energy than comparable small, round-bodied animals. The weasel's slender body allows them to squeeze through small openings, creating a challenge for small flock owners. Weasels are active year-round and hunt both day and night. Another common chicken predator dwelling in suburban and rural Minnesota is the striped skunk. Striped skunks will kill multiple chickens in small flocks and injure several others. They typically consume the chicken's abdomen region and leave behind their distinct smell. Striped skunks also enjoy eating chicken eggs by puncturing a hole in one end of the shell and licking out the nutritious contents. Domestic cats are not often thought of as a predator, but are a common predator of chickens across Minnesota. Domestic cats are messy eaters and tend to leave behind bones, skin, and feathers after eating the meaty parts of the chicken. These predators are common across the state in urban, suburban, and rural areas. Even when domestic cats are well fed, they still hold an interest in hunting chickens. Predators continue to challenge the management practices of small flock owners across the state. Recognizing and identifying common predators can help you initiate an adequate protection plan to alleviate the impacts of predators on your small flocks.